Discover how to leverage the power of Instagram stories to get highly engaged followers, traffic, and ultimately make money. Unless you've been living under a rock, there's no doubt that you've heard about Instagram. Instagram is often described as being like Twitter with images, but it's really so much more than that. Although you can share images with Instagram, you can also share videos, and they've even just released something very powerful called Instagram Stories. Because Instagram is constantly adding new features, it continues to grow in users, relevance, and interest to people all over the world. Instagram is no longer for connecting with just your friends and family. Used correctly, Instagram has become a world-class marketing tool that anyone can use to get massive exposure. For free, in many cases. If you have an online or offline business and you don't have a solid Instagram marketing strategy yet, the time is now. You often hear people talk about their website SEO strategy, or how they're going to dominate Facebook. But many people fail to give Instagram the attention that it deserves. If you don't have a plan for using Instagram to build your following, get more traffic, and make more money, you need to start thinking about it right now. As of right now, Instagram has over 500 million users. And that number is growing every single day. And unlike the other mainstream social media networks that seem to be slowing down in terms of growth, Instagram is still picking up momentum and growing faster and faster. Engagement on Instagram is extremely high. Monthly active users are sharing over 40 billion images and videos. That's 95 million photos and videos daily. And that number is just getting bigger. 31% of all American women use Instagram. And surveys indicate that 70% of all users have sought out a brand to follow on Instagram. And 41% of all users are open to getting marketing messages. That's a huge opportunity for you. Of course, there are many ways to see big results with Instagram. And if you're not a regular Instagram user, you may not even be aware of the massive potential. You can build a huge following with Instagram very quickly, no matter who you are. And when you know what you're doing, you can quickly turn that following into profits. But you can't just sign up for an Instagram account today and expect to start getting big results automatically. Although Instagram is pretty simple on the surface, there are a lot of moving pieces when it comes to doing things the right way. Do things wrong, and you could find yourself wasting a lot of your time, missing out on some big opportunities and money, and potentially doing things the wrong way that could end up putting your entire Instagram account at risk of getting banned. To make sure you don't miss any of the important details that will help you generate as much targeted traffic as you want with Instagram, I've put together the ultimate course on becoming an expert at creating a following, getting traffic, and making money with Instagram, based on what's working right now, not last year. Because there are a lot of outdated tactics and information out there that will have you spinning your wheels, and ultimately end up wasting your time. My guide is the most complete guide for getting big results extremely quickly with Instagram. Inside you'll discover why Instagram is so powerful, why it matters, and an overview of Instagram by the numbers. The history of Instagram and an overview of all the features. What the new feature, Instagram Stories, is all about, why it's important, and how to use it the right way. How to get started and get set up with Instagram today. actual examples of highly profitable Instagram accounts and what you can do to quickly get similar results. How to quickly start growing your account, getting followers, and keep them engaged. The hidden tricks to using Instagram stories, the power of going live and making boomerangs. The tips, tricks, and hidden settings that almost no one knows about that can get you results even faster. How to make the most of Instagram's most powerful new features. The simple steps to creating stunning pictures and videos, even if you're a complete newbie. Plus, simple methods for monetizing your Instagram account quickly. No stones are left unturned inside this step-by-step guide to getting fast results with Instagram. This guide will help you to get big results if you're a list builder, an affiliate marketer, a CPA marketer, a product owner, a consultant or coach, or even an offline business owner. You'll get everything you need to build a targeted following that will buy whatever it is you're selling right away. And the best part about this is you don't need any prior experience or a huge marketing budget. In fact, you can get going for free. Regardless of where you are or what you've done in the past, you can begin seeing results as soon as today, even if you don't already have an Instagram account of your own. But the really great thing about this is the price. Although what you'll learn inside can easily help you to generate thousands upon thousands of dollars in profits, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this step-by-step Instagram guide for less than you'd spend on lunch for two. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And to make things even better, when you grab this Instagram guide today, you'll get access to some extremely valuable fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the entire course into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and see success. Fast action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to see success. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to get big results with Instagram. Fast action bonus number 4 is an Instagram marketing infographic that shows you in beautiful graphics what to do next to profit with Instagram.